Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Informative channel. I hope you all are good. Have a grateful day. In this video, we will learn names of Android versions. Let's start our today video. 1. Android version number 1 Alpha, and next is Android version 1.1 is Beta. Next, Android version 1.5 is Cupcake. Next, Android version 1.6 is Donut. Next, Android version 2.0 is Eclair. Next, Android version 2.1 is Eclair. Next, Android version 2.2 is Froyo. Next, Android version 2.3 is Gingerbread. Next, Android version 3.0 is Honeycomb. Next, Android version 4.0 is Ice Cream Sandwich. Next, Android version 4.1 is Jelly Bean. And next, Android version 4.2 is Jelly Bean. Next, Android version 4.3 is Jelly Bean. Next, Android version 4.4 is KitKat. Next, Android version 5.0 is Lollipop. Next, Android version 5.1 is Lollipop. Next, Android version 6.0 is Marshmallow. Next, Android version 7.0 is Nougat. And next, Android version 7.1 is Nougat. Next, Android version 8.0 is Oreo. Next, Android version 9.0 is PIEP. Next, Android version 10 is Queen Cake. And Android version 11 is Red Velvet Cake. And Android version 12 is Snow Cone. And also Android version 12L is Snow Cone. Next, Android version 13 is Tiramisu. Next, Android version 14 is Upside Down Cake. Thank you.